Come check out this 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home here in Lake Wales, Florida. But before we get into that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and share. Thank you. So what I love about this home is you're close to 2 parks, Kiwanis Park and the Lake Wales Park. You're actually close to the big lake in Lake Wales. I mean, there's tons of activities to do here. I mean, Lake Wales has lots of activities throughout the year, like Pioneer, Mardi Gras, and they have these events right there at the lake. So what's cool about this home, it's really close to all the activities. You're within 4 or 5 minutes from the Lake Wales Library. You're within about 5 to maybe 7 minutes away from downtown, probably less. And the same with going to Walmart. You're like maybe another 4 to 5 minutes. So within a few minutes, you're so close to everything. That's what I love about this home, and the neighborhood looks well established, looks very nice, and it's ready for you to just move right in. What's cool about this home, separate from all the other homes in the same neighborhood, is it does have a painted driveway to kind of flow with the house. So that's what I kind of like about it as well. Well, here we are. So let's go take a look inside and let me know what you think. Here's a quick view of the front as you open the door, but let's take a look inside and see what we can see. Now as you walk in, you can see we have a large living room. What's nice about walking into the home is you have a closet to the left, which a lot of homes don't have that. So having that coat closet right in the left, store any of your cleaner stuff, works really nice. But take a look as the living room flows into dining room and kitchen, has that open floor concept.
Go.
So the kitchen is, you could say it's a little outdated, but don't let that fool you. It's still in really great condition. Usually homes, that has kitchens like this, that's like almost original, you would mostly see them hanging. They'll be a little bit open. Well, this property seems to be well taken care of. As you can see, everything is in great condition. Even though it's a tad bit outdated, it works nice. And hey, you never know. 5-10 years from now, that might be the new style that everyone's going to. Here's a pantry. I always like showing the extra storage, and we're gonna see all the other closets in the video as well. But here's another view of the kitchen. Really open space, lots of cabinets, and you have the storage as well. This will be the hallway with the 2 bedrooms and the guest bathroom. And then the master will be on the other side of the home. So you do have that split floor plan that separates for privacy. And this bedroom here does have a large closet, which is pretty nice. Big walk-in closet, as you can see. Lots of space. And with an attic access. And here is your other guest room. And it also has a decent sized closet. It is not a walk-in, but it's still a good size. The benefit of this one is you do have a pool view. And there's a closet I was referring to. Now in the hallway, here is, you have another linen closet next to the bathroom. And the bathroom as well is kind of like the kitchen. It's a little outdated, but everything is really nice. It's it's well taken care of. A bathroom for this age is not remodeled or anything, but it's in great condition. A little cleaning, would help, but it's in great condition. And here's the master bedroom, really large, and this one also has a really large walk-in closet. And mind you, that bed is a king-size bed. To kind of give you an example, it is, there's lots of space around the bed. Here's the master bathroom. As you can see, it is really in good shape, good condition. There's nothing needs to be done. Just need to move in your stuff, and that goes for the whole house. I mean, maybe a little cosmetic things, a little outdated, but overall, the home is in good condition. Lots of closet, lots of space, and it is in very good condition, as you could, just from your personal point of view. But what I like here is as you walk out of the living room, you're walking into this paradise here. You have a really nice pool, and you have enough space for entertainment there. You could probably put a barbecue grill there. You could put, probably put some fans for when it's warm outside to keep you cool. Put a TV so when you're swimming you have some entertainment. And here you have this open porch, which you can probably put a cover if you don't want too much sun. But man, what a beautiful view. This almost seems like you're at a hotel. I mean, this home has everything that you need. I mean, it has fenced in, but it has lots of shrubs to give you your own privacy. So you can take a look. And this here, you can see the roof seems to be, from the look, not from knowing so much, but it seems to be pretty fair. And it has a pretty cool drainage system. I'll show you a close up. And as you can see, when it rains, it just kind of goes and swoops around the property, which I found to be a really smart, strategic thing that they did. Well, here's the property. I hope you liked it. If you want to schedule a tour, let me know. I'd love to show you.